There are lots of stand-up paddle boards you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these stand-up paddle boards are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Inflatable stand-up paddleboard. The 10-6 inflatable stand-up paddleboard is perfect for both adults and youth, designed to accommodate all skill levels. Constructed with durable, military-grade PVC material, this board is lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, providing stability and safety on the water. The anti-slip EVA deck ensures a secure and comfortable footing, even when wet, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. Included SUP accessories enhance your paddleboarding experience. The adjustable paddle is lightweight and can be customized to suit various heights, while the high-pressure pump allows for quick and easy inflation. A safety leash keeps the board closed, and the spacious backpack offers convenient storage and transport. This versatile paddleboard is perfect for a variety of water activities, from leisurely paddling to yoga on the water. With a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, it supports solo paddlers and even a pet. Easy to deflate and roll up, it's perfect for travel and storage, making your water adventures hassle-free and enjoyable. Number 2. Sport 11 Premium Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Sport 11 Premium Stand-Up Paddleboard is an ideal choice for both youth and adults seeking adventure on the water. This versatile board is designed with a wide stance, providing excellent stability, whether you're gliding through calm waters or catching waves. The non-slip deck ensures secure footing, making it perfect for yoga sessions or leisurely paddling. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, this SUP is built to withstand various water conditions. It features surf control for smooth maneuverability, enhancing your paddling experience. The package includes essential accessories: an adjustable paddle, a high-efficiency pump, a coiled leash, and a convenient carry bag for easy transportation. Measuring 11 feet in length, this paddleboard offers ample space and support for users of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paddler, the Sport paddleboard provides a reliable and enjoyable ride. Number 3. Funwater Inflatable Ultralight Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Funwater Inflatable Ultralight Stand-Up Paddleboard is designed for users of all skill levels, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned paddlers. With a length of 10 feet, a width of 30 inches, and a thickness of 6 inches, this paddleboard offers excellent stability and balance on the water. The board is constructed from military-grade PVC material, ensuring durability and resistance to wear and tear, while remaining lightweight for easy transportation. The non-slip comfort deck provides added safety, allowing you to maintain your footing even in wet conditions. The board also comes with a complete set of premium accessories, including an adjustable aluminum paddle, high-pressure pump, travel backpack, leash, and repair kit, ensuring you have everything you need for an enjoyable experience. Whether you're paddling on calm lakes, rivers, or in ocean surf, the Funwater paddleboard delivers reliable performance. Number 4. ABBA-Hub Inflatable SUP Blue Stand-Up Paddleboard. The ABBA-Hub Inflatable SUP Blue Stand-Up Paddleboard is your ultimate companion for aquatic adventures, offering a blend of durability, stability, and convenience. Designed with a robust, military-grade PVC material, this paddleboard ensures exceptional strength and resilience, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned paddlers. The non-slip EVA deck pad provides a secure and comfortable footing, even in wet conditions, enhancing your confidence on the water. Measuring 10.6 in length and 32 in width, this board offers excellent stability, perfect for yoga, fishing, or leisurely paddling. Its streamlined shape allows for smooth and efficient gliding, while the triple bottom panel fins improve overall speed, handling, and steering, making it easier to maneuver. The ABBA-Hub SUP is easy to inflate and deflate, thanks to the high-pressure pump included. It also features a lightweight portable design, folding neatly into the included backpack for effortless transport and storage. Whether you're exploring serene lakes, calm rivers, or coastal bays, this paddleboard ensures a safe and enjoyable experience on the water. Number 5. Retrospec Weekender Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Retrospec Weekender Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is designed for those seeking adventure on the water with ease and portability. Measuring 10.6, this lightweight ISUP is perfect for paddlers of all skill levels. Its durable, puncture-resistant construction ensures that it can withstand rugged conditions while maintaining stability and balance. The board's wide base provides excellent support, making it ideal for beginners and experienced paddlers alike. This all-in-one package includes essential accessories: an adjustable paddle, a high-pressure pump, and a detachable fin for enhanced tracking and control. The paddleboard's non-slip deck offers a secure grip, even when wet, allowing you to confidently explore lakes, rivers, and oceans. The Weekender is easy to inflate and deflate, making it highly portable and convenient for travel. Once deflated, it rolls up compactly to fit in the included carrying bag, so you can take it anywhere.